Hi, hello, and welcome to Software Development Success. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can add a payment button to your website. So basically, a payment button to your website, this is a payment button. So when people click on the button, they will be redirected to a place where they can pay, and basically the money that they will pay will be going to you. So there are multiple places that offer you payment buttons. So for example here PayPal, if you go to the debit card, then they will give you a URL for the payment. So here you see what is the product, and basically you see that they will go to the payment person. So here I have a software that does that for you. In this case, you should already have it. It's from autopostingtools.com, which basically would be this button, PayPal link generator. So here, what you will type, it will be your email for where you want to get your payments. You will type the product name. In this case, the product name could be anything like product 1, subscription for my site. Then you select the amount of how much you want to charge. So you could put it $89. Then you click on generate PayPal link. This will generate you the PayPal link, and basically you can convert that into a tiny URL. So it's easier for you to type instead of giving this all information, all this URL. So the next thing would be to choose one of the buttons that we have here. So you choose either one, and basically you put here on create. So here we'll create the HTML code for you. So you click copy, and then you can use this to paste it on your website. So I'm just going to give you a website where you can test your code. So it's called Try It HTML, and then you will see here Try It Yourself. So you click on that, and that is going to take you to a place where you can test your code. So here you can just basically paste the code that I give you with my software, which you can just basically create yourself. You don't need the software, but it's just faster with the software. So you click on here on run, and here you have this button that we created, and if we click on the button, it's going to send us to PayPal, and then if somebody pay through PayPal, it's going to see the information of the product that we just created. In this case will be $89, and then product 1 subscription for my site. So this is the payment that we created. Obviously, if you change your PayPal email here, it will go to your PayPal email. But I'm going to show you how this works. So basically, we converted the URL from here. So I'm just going to bring it back just to show you, and we can copy that. So we put it onto here. So we paste it there. So here, basically, I'm going to explain you what are we doing here. So the first thing that we do is create a link. So you can create a link by adding a code, which would be like HTML code for link. So the next thing would be to add the href, which would be the URL where you are going to be sending the persons whenever they click on the image. The next part will be the target. So we want a blank target so it opens up in a new page. So that's why we put it there. Then we have the EMG tag, which basically tells that we're going to be putting an image. And we have the SRC, which means source. And we put the image URL here. So if you don't like this button, you can just basically create your own code. So EMG source, and then you put the URL here, and then basically that is going to change the image here. And regarding the payment button, basically you could use this information, which basically is to create the payment, and you can change here. So you will see that This is the base URL, which will be the place where it's going to process our payment. Then it asks us for the business name or the business email, which we will put our PayPal email. Then CMD start for command click. So when people click on that, that's what we are going to be getting the payment. Then if there were a URL to return whenever they don't like the payment, you will type it here. Then if there were an item number, you will type it there. Currency code, so you use that as USD or Canadian, so you change your currency here. Then you put the amount of how much you want to charge. Finally, you put the item number, which will be the number of the product. So as you can see here, you have this product, and basically this one the percentage sign and the 20 means space. So if you use like replace that by spaces, that's what you're writing. So whenever you write and you need to put an space, you put you put this one the percentage plus 20, so you have an space and you have a continuous URL. This is called encoding. So basically it's for not having spaces when you are sending URLs, and basically this will convert to spaces. So the percentage 20, that's an space and it will be converted. So basically that's how you create a button. You can just copy this code anywhere, and then that will work, and it's going to show you the button there. So now you can create dips and then play with the positions of the button and everything. And we're going to be teaching that in a different video, but this is how you create a button, and you will just basically place it on wherever you want it to show up on your website. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Have a nice day. Bye bye.